God bless students. Dear students, in today's video we shall learn from unit number 5 daffodils, and topic for today is prepositions of place for the book of English class 9. Dear students, first of all we shall look at the definition of the prepositions of place. A preposition of place is a preposition which is used to refer to a place where something or someone is located. So this is quite easy to understand that the preposition of place tells us the location of a person and the location of an object. So it helps us to understand where the actual person or the actual thing is actually placed. And when we talk about the location of things or people, we use prepositions of place. So this is very clear for us that while talking about the location, we are telling the location of things and the location of people. And for that we use the prepositions of a place. And one thing more that we learned in the previous lesson, prepositions are words in English that give us additional information about the persons or about the pronouns and about the objects. Dear students, here we have the examples. Of course there are number of prepositions of place, but in this video we shall only concentrate on the prepositions of behind, beside, next to, under, over, along, and across. Dear students, here we see the first example of behind. So we can see one picture in which a boy is shown hiding behind the sofa. So you can say there is a boy behind the sofa. There is a boy hiding behind the sofa. You can also say there is a boy sitting behind the sofa. And the next example we have on number 2 is beside. So you can say in the other picture you can see there is a house and we have a tree nearby it. You can also say nearby. You can also see there is a tree beside the house. And you can also say there is a tree nearby the house. And you could also use for this tree next to. In the example of next to on number 4, it is written I think twice, number 3 and number 4, but anyway, next to, if you see the example of the apples, and you can see on the bottom it is showing us that the apple is next to the book. And when you see the example number 5 over, here in this example there are clouds over the house. You can say there is a cloud over the house. When we talk about the over, it means that something is in motion, something is in the movement. So you can see when you see the clouds in the sky, they always are on the move. So but it is not always the case when you are using the preposition over that the object is always in motion. It can also be in different way used. Number 6 we have along. So you can see in this picture there is a green belt along the road. So you can see there is a picture taken from the Maryland, a state of USA. So here you can see there's a green belt along the road. And on number 7 you have the preposition of across. Suppose you want to cross the road, so you will say to your friend, let us across the road for a walk. Or you can say let's walk across the road. और सड़क के पार चलें. Here we have some more examples: between, in front of, to the left, to the right, under or below, on or next to. So there are so many examples that tell us the position of the person or position of the object. So I hope this lesson will help you to understand prepositions, and will also help you to practice these prepositions in your conversation and while you are talking to your friends or teachers. Dear students, here we have one assignment for you. You can look at the picture. There are so many items shown in the picture. So from these items shown in the picture, I have some questions for you. You will look at the picture and you will answer these questions. The first question for you is, where is the ball? And the second question is, where is the chair? Third is, where is the mat? Number 4, where is the clock? And number 5, where is the cat? So dear students, please attempt these questions and send me your responses. I shall be waiting for your answers. Thank you and God bless you.